Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. I'm Ting and we're here today at Children's Medical Research Institute in Westmead, Sydney. We're on a mission to develop treatments and cures for the 1 in 20 children with a birth defect or genetic disease. Please follow me. So here we are on level 5, the home of ProCan, our world-first international cancer research project. And here to tell us a bit more about it is Director of the Institute and co-founder of ProCan, Professor Roger Riddell.
ProCan is a big cancer research program where we've developed the technology to analyse simultaneously thousands of different types of protein molecules in cancer samples. We're doing this in tens of thousands of cancers, which is a scale that's never been attempted before. Importantly, we're doing it on cancer samples where the outcome of treatment is already known. So what that means is we'll be able to use advanced computational techniques to find the pattern in the data that predicts which cancer is going to respond to which treatment. What we expect that this will allow us to do is to analyse a cancer sample from a newly diagnosed cancer patient and be able to predict for that individual patient which is the most appropriate treatment for them. What that means is that they won't have to go through trials of different types of therapy. There'll be a much better chance of getting the treatment right the first time. So not only does that mean that it increases the chance of success for the treatment, but it also means that the side effects of treatments that turn out to be futile will be completely avoided.
The ProCan project is creating a massive digital database of cancer samples, representing every type of cancer currently known and treated around the world. It's like a giant reference library of cancers. What you can see here are 6 specialized instruments called mass spectrometers that can measure up to 5,000 different proteins in a single cancer sample. They create a fingerprint telling us what's unique about each cancer type. Hey Steve.
Hi Ting.
Steve here is a scientist in our ProCan lab. Steve, can you tell us a bit about what happens here in ProCan?
So for tens of thousands of samples, it's a huge amount of data. To be able to process all this, we actually built an on-site supercomputer to handle all of the information.
Oh, what an incredible setup. How much does one of these machines cost?
Each of these instruments cost about $1.3 million. We currently have 6 of them, but this lab was built to house 12. If we had additional funding, we could utilise all the spare taps in this lab, we could process more samples, and then we would achieve ProCan's goal faster.
Thanks so much for talking to us, Steve. It's such an exciting project.
You're welcome. We love to show people what we do here.
Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour today. We hope you've been inspired by the vital work being carried out by scientists here at Children's Medical Research Institute. With the support of Australians, we are changing the lives of not only our children and grandchildren, but of future generations. You can support us by visiting our website. Thank you so much.